What is up, you guys? It's Andrew back with another sneaker review, and today it is a very important review. Those of you who follow this channel have no doubt heard me mention Unheard Of, a skate shop and sneaker store in Cincinnati, Ohio that holds a very special place in my heart. I've been there many times over the last 5 years, and every time I walk in, it feels like home, the selection is great, and the staff is always incredibly friendly. While this is not the first time Unheard Of has done a sneaker collab, it might be the most important collab in a very long time. In partnership with Adidas, store owner Philip Lipschitz pays homage to his late sister Erika with an incredibly detailed and unique edition of the Rivalry Low. The sneaker comes to us in the coolest packaging I have ever seen. It is a clear blue acrylic case that references old school cassette tapes, from the look to the way the box opens. Inside, we find an artist's rendition of Erika's bedroom, a printed copy of the poem, a multitude of accessories, and the shoes themselves. The Rivalry Low is layered with a red fuzzy suede, blue bird paneling, and the poem imprinted, and hits of orange and green with a blue sock liner. The bottoms of the shoe are a combination of the colors found on the upper, along with some gum bottom hits that I'm always a fan of, with a white midsole. Two flies can be found embroidered on the heel and one on the tongue, and the laces are oval with gold-colored metal aglets to match the eyelets on the shoe. The accessories include 2 keychains, 2 lace doubrets, a pen, and a large commemorative sticker. Not only that, but 4 additional lace sets come with the sneaker, all with the same gold-colored metal aglets. The Rivalry Low is covered in themes and symbolism. The orange peel leather and flies are allusions to the cover of the album Tragic Kingdom by the band No Doubt. When Philip and his friends would skate around as teenagers, Erika was known to play the album on full blast while watching them. According to an interview with Lipschitz and Brendan Dunn of Complex, the flies are meant to represent a dark or decaying side of something that seems healthy on the surface. The name of the collab, Erika's Poem, is based on written work by Erika, who died by suicide at the age of 16 in 2005. The poem, which is included in the box in print form, reads as follows: "Alone in my corner, I sit, I think. I dream of the things that assign you to me. I wonder, I wonder. Here in my corner, I live, I breathe, I tell myself it's all over for me. I linger on you for a moment longer, and I wonder, I wonder. There in my corner, I write and I sleep, I replay the moments I'd to keep. I take in the poison, choke on a scream, I wake to the no one resting with me. I wonder, alone in my corner. All by myself in my corner, I cry and I bleed. Sweet innocent drops confirm what I need. There's something missing that I let flee, and still I wonder, I wonder. In my corner, I feel and I see. I steal a glimpse of what I used to be. I break my promise, begin to plead, and ask for a cure to this disease. But still I'm empty. Why? Alone in my corner, I wonder, I wonder." And that right there is the reason this collaboration is so special. Philip Lipschitz meant for this sneaker to bring awareness to the mental health struggles that teenagers face, the same teenagers from flyover states who may not ever see their creative work on display in a museum or their ideas ever being given credit that they deserve. I want to thank Philip and the good people at Unheard Of for giving the world a special sneaker collaboration with an incredibly important message. Well done. And that's where I'm going to wrap this video up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit that comment section below. Let me know what you think of the sneaker, of the message. Let me know if you picked these up. And until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.